Stop throwing your hard-earned money away on monthly streaming bills that never seem to stop rising. Most people are stuck paying for premium subscriptions just to watch the shows they love. But in 2026, there is a much smarter way to organize your digital life. Today, I am showing you the ultimate Kodi setup that will change how you use your TV forever. Welcome back to TechVibes. We are diving deep into the complete walkthrough for Kodi in 2026. This guide is all about giving you total control over your media without the technical headaches. Whether you are on a Fire Stick or a high-end Android box, this setup is going to save you time and money. Important downloader code and links have been mentioned in the description. The first step to a perfect setup is starting with a clean slate. If you have an old version of Kodi, just delete it and start fresh. You want to use the downloader app and enter the code 28907 to access the latest stable builds. This ensures you are getting version 21.3, which is the gold standard for performance right now. A fresh install prevents those annoying crashes and slow menus that drive everyone crazy. Next, let's talk about the interface. Kodi looks a bit boring out of the box, but you can fix that in seconds. Go into your interface settings and look for the skin section. Switching to a skin like Arctic Fuse or Aura makes your setup look like a $1,000 media player. It organizes your local movies and music into a sleek dashboard that even your non-techie friends can use. It is not just about looks, because a good skin actually makes navigating your library much faster. The real secret to a high-end setup is managing your storage properly. In the Kodi settings, make sure you go to the Media and Library section to set up your scrapers. This automatically pulls in movie posters and actor info for your local files. It turns a messy folder of files into a beautiful digital library. If you find the app getting sluggish, go to the cache settings and clear them out once a week. This keeps the playback smooth even on cheaper hardware like the basic Fire Stick. For a quick bonus trick most people miss, check out the subtitle settings. You can set Kodi to automatically download subtitles in your preferred language for every movie you play. Just go to Settings then Player and select Language. It saves you from pausing the show to search for files manually every single time. It is a small change that makes a massive difference in your viewing experience. Setting up Kodi the right way is the best move you can make for your home theater this year. It keeps your wallet full and your entertainment organized. If this guide helped you level up your tech game, give this video a like and subscribe to TechVibes for more practical tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which device you are using for your Kodi setup this year. Thanks for watching TechVibes. See you in the next one.